Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome to another video for the family. And today we're gonna go over some of the trades that we took last night. As you guys saw on my Instagram post, Lots FX Academy. If you don't follow me, um, you know that we got in and we got out really fast, really fast. We were done 40 minutes, 70 pips. So it took 40 minutes for us to be done for the night, and that's all about my trading style. That's the way I trade. I like to be in and be out as soon as possible, and try to secure my profits as soon as possible as well, especially on this market condition. So it's really simple. One of the trades that gave us almost 50 pips was AUD Japanese yen short, and we're gonna talk about this one only because the other pair were correlated to this pair, and based on this pair I traded the other pair. So really simple to understand. So when we go to AUD Japanese yen daily, we see that the pair is obviously recovering from that huge dump, which happened with everything that's going on, and now the pair has been going up non-stoply. So non-stop going up, which is letting me know that I should start looking for buys. So I should start looking for buys. But the only reason why I took a short position yesterday is really simple. So as you can see here, we see a double top. But not only that, when you place a horizontal line and you see that the level is at a previous support level when it was coming on the way down, so rejected three times on the daily chart over here, and we also see rejection up here on a daily candle as well. So when I go to the 4-hour chart and I look to my left, I see, oh well, this level over here has been rejected multiple times. What is it gonna do? Obviously this was a rejection on daily, rejection of 4-hour. So I traded a pair on a 30-minute time frame, and you're gonna see how easy it was for me to detect this trade after going at it. So if I know that this level over here has been rejected so many times now, why should I be going long without waiting for the pair to break this level and then come back and retest for us to go long? So it's pretty simple. Here we are seeing a support level as well. So the pair went up there, rejected, back down, rejected, up there, rejected. So resistance and support. Even if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, it's gonna look even better. So we traded this pair around this level over here. So I know that when a pair breaks a support level, a strong support level, it's gonna come back and retest that exactly support level, becoming a resistance level automatically. So if it becomes a resistance level and you see multiple candlesticks telling you that it struggling to break through to the upside, then I gotta start looking for a sell again. That's exactly what we did. So it was around 6 p.m. before Sydney section, and I know the volatility, spread, everything is high, so the market's not gonna move a lot. So the market's gonna slow down a little, and it's gonna start picking up around 7:30, 8 p.m. But 8 p.m. is actually when Sydney section opens. So I'm looking for that 8 p.m. volume for me to react and take action. So after multiple rejection of 30 minutes, I decided to take a sell, just because I knew this level over here was reacting as a resistance level on the way up after breaking, which was a support level. And that's exactly what the pair did. Huge sell up to the dump, to the downside, and we took profit after the huge dump, which was around 40 pips, 43 pips on that pair, and the other pair a little bit less. But when you combine all of them together, it gives us around 78 pips, 79 pips, which is not bad at all on 30, 40 minutes. And obviously the pair now found a new support level over here. It went back up and retest that same level, which you can again sell that pair at that level. I didn't took I didn't took that sell because I only trade at a particular time. I don't trade New York section. So if I don't trade New York section and I make money the night before, I don't have to be in it. I don't have to be in it because I follow a plan, everyday plan. So I come every day at the same time, look for the same strategy. And if I see it, I execute. If I don't see it, I don't trade at all and wait for the next day or till I see another setups that been giving me results. So that's why a lot of traders fail trading because you don't have a plan. You don't have a plan on following a strategy every day at the same time with the pairs that you like to trade. For example, I know a lot of people that only trade GJ. I know a lot of people that only trade US 30. I know a lot of people that only trade one pair only. And when they see it, they take action and they make money every single time just because they learn about the pair. They know exactly the same move that it's gonna happen when the pair gets to a certain level, and that's what I try to teach. So I try to teach on following a plan and stop looking at what is giving results to other people instead of you learning what is gonna give you results. Because at the end of the day, you might look at this chart on one way, and I myself I look at it on another way, and that's the beauty of as a trader. That's the beauty of forex. That one day you can be making one day your friend can be making $100 and you $10, but the next day after you learn how to easily detect a setup and learn what each candlestick is telling you, you might be the one making $50,000-$100,000 a month or a day, which I have seen, which is not impossible. And which this was the only reason, and worked perfectly. So breakthrough, retest, sell, and took profit and get out of the market, and that's it. Be done. For tonight, what are we looking for? It's really simple. What is the formation right here? Which always don't work, but we are seeing a second rejection. So we see a rejection over here. Obviously broke or resistance level, but again broke and retest that level to go back down. So now what I'm gonna look for is for the pair to break this level down here. If it don't break this level down here and retest this level, then I'm not gonna take a sell because it's probably gonna do this. So when the pair gets to that level, it's pretty easy for the pair to come back down here, trick everybody that it's a sell, and come back up and break all those levels, or actually retest to continue to the downside. So I always wait for confirmation for me to short or buy a pair, and if I don't see it, I don't trade it. And if I have to wait 2 days without trading, I do it. And that's a way of trading. So it wasn't pretty difficult for me to find this specific setup last night, and it was there. So when you see multiple rejection, candlestick rejection over here, that's letting you know that the buyers are not strong enough to break that level, which is going to happen the opposite. Sellers are going to take the power, sellers are going to take action, and they're going to bring the pair down to the next level. On this particular case, we see that on the way up, the pair wasn't breaking previous lower heights level, which is letting me know that the pair might continue up. Now on the daily time frame, the pair is still bullish, which means if the pair don't break this level over here, down here, the pair can still go up, and instead of me looking for a sell, I need to start looking for buy. So that's more for a swing trader, long-term trader than me. I just took action for, and I wanted at least 30, 40, 50 pips, and that's what I got. Pretty easy setup, and you can take action on both ways, long term or short term. Exactly knowing when to get in, when to get out, and be done for the day. Stop being greedy. That after you make 70 pips, you want to go back to the market and make more money. You're gonna blow your heart count. That has done. I have done it multiple times when I started. And after I learned how to be patient and wait for the things that are giving me results, I being profitable ever since. That doesn't mean that I don't have losing days, which I show as well. I show my losing days to you guys, but after you learn this, there is no way that you're gonna keep losing money more than what you make. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, down there on the description, you're gonna see my personal Instagram, free Telegram channel, and my Lots FX Academy Instagram as well if you want to follow it. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment on it. Tell me which video do you guys want me to make, and see you guys next time.